Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card design, I am featuring the Timeless Tulips stamp set. I used this last Monday and I really liked it, so I had to do another card with it. The thing is that I actually didn't purchase this stamp set. It was I think an all attendee gift at our onstage, so like our conference when I went to Las Vegas. And I'm glad that I pulled it out and started playing with it, because normally I would have just kind of overlooked it. And the thing is that this stamp set is really fun. You can do the tulips in any color you want to, because you know they come in many different colors. Today I'm using Daffodil Delight. And you can see here that I am using a stamping pierce mat so that it is a little cushion so that I get better contact between the stamp and the paper. And by the way, the paper is Whisper White Thin, just the regular stuff, not the heavyweight stuff that I use for my card bases. And I flipped my stamping mat around and I just have a non-porous surface there. It's like a stamping mat or a all-purpose craft mat kind of thing. I just stuck it to the back of my piercing mat so that I can do this sort of thing. I'm using Old Olive and I am trying to put the stems on my tulips. And the neat thing about, well, and that's the thing, the stem kind of goes past the page and all of a sudden I don't want to get my piercing mat all icky. So the neat thing is that you can, because this is a photopolymer stamp, you can bend the leaves, you can bend the stems to whatever design you want. And that is the lovely thing about this stamp set. There are many different variations. Here I'm just sharing, a 3-bulbed card. But last week I had a whole bunch of tulips on the page. So it is what you want to make of it. It's a lot of fun to create. Take inspiration from a gardener's book or, pictures of tulips online, because I'm sure you can find some of that. So anyway, if you're looking for a cheerful stamp, this is it. So you can see what I've done here. I've matted my Whisper White piece with some Daffodil Delight. I feel that you could put any color on there. That is a thick Whisper White card base that I'm using. And I am stamping Happy Birthday in Memento Tuxedo Black ink on a small piece of Whisper White. I usually have these off cuts when I cut down my regular weight Whisper White, and I'm just adhering it to some Daffodil Delight. And now I'm just doing this by hand. I'm gonna cut this so that I have a very, very small mat behind the Happy Birthday. Sometimes, simplicity, we jazz up our cards so much, but it is really about doing something simple and quick, and so it's not so complicated. So you get invited to somebody's birthday and you're like, whoop, I can whip up a card real quick. And this stamp set, cheerful stamp set for somebody's birthday, I think, or to create a card for somebody's birthday. All right, so that is my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will catch you next time. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.